place. Coronavac is Russian company, is an inactivated virus-based COVID-19 vaccine developed by the Chumakov Center, which is an institute of the Russian Academy of Sciences. It was approved for use in Russia in February 2021, being the third COVID-19 vaccine to get approval in Russia. It has not yet gone through a phase 3 clinical trial as of early March 2021. 9th place. Phase I and II trials. In May 2020, Indian Council of Medical Research's (ICMR's) National Institute of Virology approved and provided the virus strains for developing a fully indigenous COVID-19 vaccine. In June 2020, the company received permission to conduct Phase I and Phase II human trials of a developmental COVID-19 vaccine named Covaxin from the Drugs Controller General of India, DCGI, Government of India. A total of 12 sites were selected by the Indian Council for Medical Research for Phase I and II randomized, double-blind and placebo-controlled clinical trials of vaccine candidate. Phase 3 trials. As on March 2021, the stated interim efficacy rate for Phase 3 trial is 81%. In April 2021, Bharat Biotech reported that efficacy dropped to 78% in its interim analysis of its Phase 3 trial. 8th place. Coronavac, also known as the Sinovac COVID-19 vaccine, is an inactivated virus COVID-19 vaccine developed by the Chinese company Sinovac Biotech. It has been in Phase 3 clinical trials in Brazil, Chile, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Turkey. It relies on traditional technology, similar to 𝐕𝐝𝐴𝐴 and BBV152, other inactivated virus COVID-19 vaccines in Phase 3 trials. Coronavac does not need to be frozen, and both the vaccine and raw material for formulating the new doses could be transported and refrigerated at 28 degrees C, 36-46 degrees F, temperatures at which flu vaccines are kept. 7th place. Sinopharm 𝐕𝐝𝐴𝐴, also known as the Sinopharm COVID-19 vaccine, is one of two inactivated virus COVID-19 vaccines developed by Sinopharm. The other inactivated virus COVID-19 vaccine developed by Sinopharm is 𝐕𝐝𝐴𝐴, which is comparably less successful. In late December 2020, it was in Phase 3 trials in Argentina, Bahrain, Egypt, Morocco, Pakistan, Peru, and the United Arab Emirates, UAE, with over 60,000 participants. 𝐕𝐝𝐴𝐴 shares similar technology with Coronavac and BBV152, other inactivated virus vaccines for COVID-19. 6th place. AD5-NCoV, trade-named 𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐬, is a single-dose viral vector vaccine for COVID-19 developed by CanSino Biologics. Since late 2020, it has been in Phase 3 trials in Argentina, Chile, Mexico, Pakistan, Russia, and Saudi Arabia with 40,000 participants. In February 2021, global data from Phase 3 trials and 101 COVID cases showed that the vaccine had a 65.7% efficacy in preventing moderate symptoms of COVID-19, and 91% efficacy in preventing severe disease. It has similar efficacy to Johnson & Johnson's at 26.CoV2.S, another one-shot adenovirus vector vaccine with 66% efficacy in a global trial. 𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐬 is similar to other viral vector vaccines like AZD1222. Its single-dose regimen and normal refrigerator storage requirement, 2 degrees to 8 degrees Celsius, could make it a favorable vaccine option for many countries. 5th place. The Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine is a COVID-19 vaccine that was developed by Janssen Vaccines in Leiden, Netherlands, and its Belgian parent company Janssen Pharmaceuticals, subsidiary of American company Johnson & Johnson. It is a viral vector vaccine based on a human adenovirus that has been modified to contain the gene for making the spike protein of the SARS-CoV-2 virus that causes COVID-19. The body's immune system responds to this spike protein to produce antibodies. The vaccine requires only one dose and does not need to be stored. 4th place. Sputnik, Russian company, is a viral vector vaccine for COVID-19 developed by the Gamaleya Research Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology. Registered on 11 August 2020 by the Russian Ministry of Health as Covidvac, Sputnik V is an adenovirus viral vector vaccine. The V designates the letter of the English alphabet, not the Roman numeral for 5. 3rd place. The Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine, codenamed AZD1222, and sold under the brand names Covishield and Vaxzevria among others, is a viral vector vaccine for prevention of COVID-19. Developed by Oxford University and AstraZeneca, it is given by intramuscular injection, using as a vector the modified chimpanzee adenovirus ch-Advox1. The efficacy of the vaccine is 76.0% at preventing symptomatic COVID-19 beginning at 22 days following the first dose and 81.3% after the second dose. 2nd place. The Moderna COVID-19 vaccine, codenamed mRNA-1273, is a COVID-19 vaccine developed by Moderna, the United States National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, NIAID, and the Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority, BARDA. It is used in people aged 18 years and older to provide protection against infection by the SARS-CoV-2 virus, which causes COVID-19. It is designed to be administered as 0.5 ml doses given by intramuscular injection at an interval of 4 weeks apart. 1st place. The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, in Tocilizumab, sold under the brand name Comirnaty, is an RNA-based COVID-19 vaccine. It is used in people aged 16 years and older to provide protection against infection by the SARS-CoV-2 virus, which causes COVID-19. BioNTech, a German company, developed the vaccine and collaborated with Pfizer, an American company, for support with clinical trials, logistics, and manufacturing. In China, BioNTech is partnered with China-based Fosun Pharma for development, marketing, and distribution rights, and the vaccine is colloquially described as the Fosun BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine.